Change in nature refers to the transformation that occurs in objects, living things, or the environment over time. A change can affect the shape, size, color, or state of a substance. Changes happen everywhere, like falling leaves or water turning to ice. This lesson introduces the concept of change as part of nature. There are two main types of changes: temporary, reversible, and permanent, irreversible. Temporary changes can be reversed or undone and do not last forever. Permanent changes cannot be reversed. They are usually caused by heating, burning, or chemical reactions.